Nigeria, a land of dreams, resilience, and hope. But for many young people, the dream of earning a living online feels like a distant mirage. The gates of opportunity seem locked. Every morning, millions of Nigerians wake up with a silent prayer. God, I beg, make today better. But the truth is, for most people, nothing changes. Every day you wake up to the same struggle. Bills piling up, dreams fading, promises broken. You work hard, but your bank account stays empty. The system is rich. We are told to go to Off-Upwork or Fiverr, platforms that promise global clients, but the competition is fierce. The rejection endless. You feel invisible, powerless, unseen. You've done everything they said. Go to school, learn a skill, pray, work hard. But you've done all these things, but nothing seemed to be working. But what if I told you you are working hard in the wrong direction? The money you are looking for is not in Nigeria. It is hard to make the type of money you need in Naira. Most Nigerian clients can't pay a lot of money for your services. So you need to make money in dollars, pounds, euros. And right now, thousands of foreign clients are begging for your skills, but you don't know how to reach them. This is not a joke. You are leaving money on the table every single day. But today, there's a way out. A way to break free from the noise and find clients who value you for who you are. A system born from the trenches of Nigerian hustle, forged in the heat of rejections, built on the wisdom of those who found a way to earn in dollars, the dollar client system. The step-by-step method for finding foreign clients who are ready to pay you in USD without ever touching Upwork or Fiverr. This is not another online hustle or MMM. It's a real proven system taught by someone who has close clients from the US, UK, and Canada. Someone who has made lots of money from foreign clients from the comfort of his room in Nigeria. But here is the catch. This course is not for everyone. It's only for those who are ready to take that leap. Those who refuse to settle for scraps. Hear what our students are saying about the course they are learning.
Hello, my name is Vincent Okoye. I am Heroic Ambassador. I came to know about Heroic Universal Concept through one of your social media platforms, Heroic Love Clinic, before I later visited their website. Ucheche is an ICT savvy and amazing writer. He's a great intellectual asset to the young generation. He has got an niche for himself by engendering public trust in his online training. I can describe my level of satisfaction with the Heroic ICT training as superb. I felt so satisfied with the digital marketing course I undertook, and I still derived value for money and time spent. Heroic Online ICT Training is one of those online platforms you can leverage on for your self-development in the ICT field. They are trustworthy with some competency in web development, digital marketing, and lots more. I'm really satisfied with their public reputation. Thank you.
Hi everyone, good evening. I am Eme Fongozi, one of the ambassadors of Heroic Online Computer Institute. Heroic Online Computer Institute is owned by Heroic Universal Concept International. I came to know about Heroic Online Computer Institute through the founder, Mr. Joe, a mentor, a kind, and an amazingly sincere and a competent hand in the field of ICT. I've gained a lot through him. Is it the free tutorials, the free ebooks, the Facebook and Instagram ads, the almighty web designing, coding. I have gained a lot through him. You know the best part of it? While you are learning how to boost your contact, how to do a Facebook and Instagram ads, you are at the same time earning, making a lifetime investment. That's the best part of it, and I love it. I invite you to come and join Heroic Online Institute. I bet you'll never regret it. Heroic Online Computer Institute has what it takes to build your skills in ICT. So, I'm looking forward to seeing you joining Heroic Online Computer Institute. Thank you for now. Bye.
Hi, my name is Edfin. I'm the founder and lead instructor at Fanny Computer Hub, the winner of Heroic Front-End Competition in the year 2021. I get to know about Heroic Universal Concept on the year 2020 when I, through one of my WhatsApp contacts, when they are running their promo, and I enrolled as a web development tutor. I learned about coding and a lot from them. So Mr. Ushijo, who is the founder of Heroic Universal Concept, is actually doing amazing things. When I enrolled, I've not seen him, he's just online. I enrolled as an online student and he has been doing wonderfully well up till from that 2020 to today, which is 2025 this year. I've not met him and it has been a wonderful thing. I learned about coding. To an extent, I have an academy with where I also train students on coding. And Mr. Oshijo's mentorship has really been amazing. His training is so simple, and not just that, his mentorship is amazing. He's always there to reply to every message. Every message is always there to reply. So if you're looking out for a tech institution where you're going to learn amazing digital skills, Heroic Universal Concept or Heroic Academy is actually there to give you the best. I recommend Mr. Ushijo is actually the best when it comes to online and offline. Bye!
This course will show you how to position yourself like a professional, even if you are just starting. You will learn how to find real clients on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, AngelList, and many more platforms. You learn how to message the foreign clients, what to say when you message them, what to offer to them, and how to get paid in dollars even without PayPal.
You learn how to build a winning mindset. You also learn list of skills foreign clients pay for. You will learn how to identify ideal foreign clients in need of your skills. You will also learn how to craft irresistible cold emails and DM to get responses. You will learn how to negotiate in dollars and receive payments securely. You learn how to build long-term client relationship for repeat business.
You also learn how to prepare the invoice and how to automate the system to continuously fetch you dollars endlessly.
So once you pay for this course, you're going to get a special bonus, and the bonus is free portfolio website for 1 month. So you're going to have access to this website for 1 month. And the reason I'm giving you 1 month access to this website is to enable you build a portfolio, organize your portfolio in one place. All right, so if you have jobs you've done in the past, okay, or anything you want to showcase for your foreign client to see and get interested, then you showcase it in the website. Okay, so that when a foreign client demand the job you've done in the past, you send a link of your website, of your portfolio website to him. With that, it builds confidence and you get paid fast. My name is Ushijo. I'm a web developer and a trainer, founder Heroic Universal Concept International, an ICT firm. I've trained a lot of people, thousands of people on ICT skills. Okay, you can be one of them.
This course is not just theory, it's a practical step-by-step guide built from real-world experience, designed to give you the skills, the confidence, and the strategies to land high-paying clients abroad. But here is the scary part. The opportunity won't wait. Every month you delay, someone else is getting the client you're supposed to get. Every time you say later, every time you procrastinate, you are handing over the opportunity and breakthrough to someone else, and you are losing out every day. Don't let this continue to be your story. This course is not just training, it is a rescue mission from poverty, stress, and being underpaid. If you are tired of suffering, if you are tired of begging, if you are tired of earning naira while everything is priced in dollars and others are taking the bull by the horn and making a lot of money in dollars, if you are tired, this is your way out. Enroll in the dollar client system today before it's too late. Learn the system and start earning in dollars. You might not get this kind of opportunity again. If you are ready to take the bull by the horn and start earning lots of money in dollars,
Go to the description of this video. Click on the link you are going to see in the description to enroll in the course
before it's gone. Good luck.